Welcome to WAEC Academy. Today we want to look into an aspect under geometric construction. Right now, the question goes below. Construct a triangle ABC on AB as base with AB 70 mm, AC 57 mm, BC 76 mm, and draw the circumscribed circle. In our previous video, we did inscribed circle, that is, the triangle, this circle will be inside the triangle. Now, circumscribed simply means the triangle will be inside, while the circle will what? Will overcome the triangle. The circle will be outside, while the triangle will be what? Inside. Inside. That's the concept behind circumscribe. Now, what do? My first task is to draw a horizontal line, right? I'll take my T-square this way and draw a horizontal line this way. Faint one, please. Now, I take a point. I pick this point to be my point A, right? And I will measure my AB is going to be what? AB is what? 70. I'll measure 70 from this point here to this point. 70. I have 70 here. So this is my point what? My point B, 70. Right? My next task here, 70, as you can see. My next task here, after getting that, I will thicken it with my T-square. Thicken this point A this way. Right? Now, question please. I'm given AC, right? Therefore, my AC is what? 57 mm. So I'll measure what? 57 on my meter rule. 57 from this point here. 57, 6, 7. Right? 5, 6, 7. 57 to this point. I have this. So I'll put that A. I will strike an arc this way. Faint arc, as you can see. So my BC is given to be what? BC is 76. So 76 to this point, 76, right? Let me show you. 76 is from this point here to this point, as you can see. Then I'll take that B at this point. I will strike my arc. Where the arc cut is at this point, C, I call it C. Then I will take in the point to A this way. Then I will take in this point, connect it to C. Right? Connect that point to point C. So I have this. This triangle we're going to construct. Our next task is that this triangle, we're going to draw a circle outside it. That's meaning of what? Circumscribe. In terms of inscribe, we consider what? The angles, right? In terms of circumscribe, we consider what? The line. This line, this three line. So I will take line AC and line what? CB. So now I'll put my compass at A to C this way. Bisect it. Take it this way. I have 1. Take it downward 2. Bisect this down part. I have this, right? Similarly, take it to point C rather. At C, strike an arc and strike the other arc. Where it meets is at this point. This is G. I call this what? G prime prime. Right? G and G prime prime. So I'll connect them together this way with a faint line. So G to G prime prime with a faint line this way. I have this, right? My next task, I have bisect AC, bisect BC. Now, if I do that, my BC from B to C, extend it to C, then strike an arc up here, then what? Down here, right? Take it to C. At C, call the arc and call the other arc. Where it meets at this point. I call this my B prime. It means at this point too, call it B prime prime. Connect B and B prime together. I have this. Connect B and B prime prime together. I will have this. Right? I have this. So this is where they meet. At that point, I call it my point Z. That's my point Z. So I will now take that my compass to point Z, extend it to C at C this way, then what? Gauge it. C. Sorry. Gauge it at C. We gauge it so that touch all the angles this way. You can see, touch all the edge. So this is what we are told to do. Notice that all my edges here are touching the circle. So this is what we called inscribing of a circle. So if you found this class helpful, don't forget